then welcome back to Maris Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be directing my viewers and subscribers on how to set up AM Tunnel VPN application in all countries to provide you with a fast, a stable and a secure internet access. So we're going to be doing next. Before continuing, I recommend my viewers to subscribe so that they can become subscribers, and then enable the notification bell so that you can be seeing such kinds of videos which will be enabling you to save data access. So let us all visit the Google Play Store and then we download the VPN application. Don't forget to subscribe. I recommend you guys to like the video, and if you get any problem, let us all gather in the comment section, and then I'll be directing you, and me and my team are going to be we're going to make sure that we reply to every comment in our comment box. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us go and then search the VPN application I'm talking about. I'm going to go where we search from in the Google Play Store, and then we search Tunnel Lite VPN application, that one. And then you're going to do this. You're going to be seeing those applications. We have this, we have this, we have this. But specifically today, I'm going to be taking my viewers, subscribers on how to set up Tunnel Lite VPN application the right way, so that you can be provided with a fast, secure and a stable connection. And then make sure to open that application, and then after installing it, then open. Right, then open the application. Let me first enable the application. Maybe it was disabled in my Android device settings. Then after, I will open the VPN application. This is what we're going to be doing next. Allow the VPN to use your mobile data, and then then we continue. But before continuing, make sure that you read your internet service provider's terms and conditions, and then accept the terms and the conditions from your internet service provider, and then comply with the local laws. Make sure you don't break any law, and then make sure that you read your country's guidelines. For example, in Uganda you have the Computer Misuse Act. Make sure that you read all that act before continuing to this video. Then you're going to press OK, and then you're going to come. We're going to be setting this application. Before continuing to this application, you're going to visit. We have those three dots in the top, in the upper top right corner. We have those three dots. Then make sure to click them, and then choose the first option, which is update. Maybe all of you are seeing this option. The reason why we're going to be updating the applications, that we solve problems like those who are saying that it's not working, not connecting. Now you're covered by updating the VPN application. And then after updating the VPN application, wait for a few moments so that you see a message that no update is available. And this process of update requires someone to have a mobile data, a running data bundle, like 1 MB, so that you can be updating the VPN application. So this is what you're going to be doing next. And initially this application is set in the UDP mode. As you see, the application is set in the UDP mode, and then if it is in other modes like those ones, make sure that you put it in its default mode, UDP mode. And then after, you're going to come where you have the auto select server right here. Maybe you are seeing this one, the auto select server. Then we will be seeing these servers as many. We have almost 50 servers, but all the 50 servers are working, but some are online and some are offline. So that to ensure that you connect to an online server, I recommend my viewers to select the auto select server and then wait for a few moments. Then let us all gather here. We have the start, and then start up the VPN application. Allow the VPN service, and then continue. Wait for a few moments for this application to connect. This information goes to Ugandans, most especially those using Airtel, that need a running data bundle called Learn from Home, and other countries will be just connecting. As you see, the VPN application has connected successfully, and I sign out. So don't forget to subscribe. I sign out. Mars Tech, rest the case.